Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn your third chapter, that is more feature of Windows 2016. Okay, so let's start. Word 2016 is one of the most popular word processing software. Okay, it is one of the most popular word processing software. It offers various features to create professional and eye-catching documents. Okay, it offers various features to create professional and eye-catching documents. You have learned to edit and format text in a Word document, right? So let us now learn to search for text, format paragraphs, columns and pages, and print a document. Okay, let's find features. Find features let you quickly search for a word or page in a long document. Okay, it enables you to quickly search for a word or page in a long document. To find text in a document, what all the process we need to do? First, on the home tab in the edit group, click the find button. Okay, then the navigation pane opens on the left side of the document window. Getting? Next, the third, type of word or phrase in the text box at the top of the navigation pane. Which word you need, that one or phrase, you need to type that one in the text box in the navigation pane. Next, Word finds and highlighted all occurrence of the specified text in the document. Okay, then the occurrence are displayed under result in the navigation pane. After whatever word or text you will type there, it will highlighted, and after that it will show the result in the navigation pane. Next is click a result in the navigation pane to go to the specific occurrence of the text in the document. Getting? Next, what you need to do, you have to click as a result in the navigation pane to go to the specific occurrence of the text in the document. Now click on the cross button. Okay, then the navigation pane will close. Getting? Now next is that find and replace features. Okay, what you need to do, find and replace feature. Find and replace feature lets you quickly search for a particular word or phrase and replace it with another in a document. Okay, how it will help you, it will find a word or paragraph or phrase for you, and it will replace it with another word or phrase in that particular document. So how to do it, how to replace text from a document? First, on the home tab in the editing group, you have to click replace. After that, the find and replace dialog box opens with the replace tab selected. Getting? Next, what you have to do, in the find what text box, type the text what you want to replace, and then in the replace with the text box, type the new text with which you want to replace the text typed in the find what the text box. Okay, are you getting? See, first which word you want to replace, you need to find out the word. Then in the find and replace box, you have to select the replace tab, and there you have to write the text, which text you want to replace. After finding the text, you have to click replace the word with another word, so that you will replace the word in that document. Getting? Next, what you need to do, simply click the find and next button, so that word finds the first occurrence of the text to replace and highlighted it. Okay, then you can click and replace it. Getting? Now next is paragraph formatting. How to format a paragraph? A paragraph in word can contain one word, one sentence, or multiple sentences. Okay, a paragraph in a word can contain one word, one sentence, or multiple sentences. Paragraph formatting lets you control the arrangement of the text in a paragraph. This formatting, a paragraph formatting, lets you control the arrangement of text in a paragraph. Word offers various options such as alignment, indentation, line spacing, and paragraph spacing to format a paragraph. Paragraph formatting can be applied to one paragraph at a time or multiply paragraph at the same time. Getting? A paragraph can contain word, a sentence, or multiple sentence, and it offers various options such as your alignment, indentation, line spacing, and paragraph spacing to format a paragraph. Paragraph formatting can be applied to one paragraph at a time or multiple paragraphs at the same time. Okay, now let's see the first option, that is alignment. Alignment defines the horizontal position of a paragraph between the left and right page margin. Okay, alignment defines the horizontal position of a paragraph between the left and right page margin. Word 2016 offer 4 alignment options to format a paragraph. First is align left, then your center, align right, and then justify. So what is the work of align left? It set the beginning of the each line of a paragraph with the left page margin by default. Okay, and center, it set each line of a paragraph in the center of the left or right page margin. Then your right, it will set the each paragraph line into right side. Then justify, it set the beginning of each line of a paragraph with the left page margin and the end of each line of the paragraph with the right margin. This is the work of alignment. To change the alignment, what you need to do in a paragraph? First, position the cursor anywhere in the paragraph you want to align. Okay, then on the home tab in the paragraph group, click on the alignment button to align the paragraph accordingly. Okay, on the home tab you have to go to the paragraph group and click on the alignment buttons to align the paragraph accordingly. Okay, Word aligns the paragraph according to the selection option. Okay, you have you will get many selection option, then you can do it the alignment. Now let's see the indentation. Indentation is a process of setting text of a line at a specified position from the page margin. Okay, it is a process of setting text of a line at a specified position from the page margins. Word 2016 offers 4 indentation options to format a paragraph. First is your left indentation, right indentation, then your first line indentation, then hanging indentation. So left indentation, it set the position of all lines in a paragraph from the left page margin. Then right indentation, it set the position of all the line in a paragraph from the right page margin. Getting? Next, the first line indentation, it set the position of the first line of a paragraph from the left page margin. Keep all other lines with the left margin. Getting? Now your hanging indentation, it set the position of all lines of a paragraph except the first line from the left page margin. Okay, now how to set it, the indentation for a paragraph? First, position the cursor anywhere in the paragraph you want to indent. Okay, then on the home tab in the paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher button. Getting? So in home tab you have to select the paragraph group, then you will select the dialog box launcher button. Okay, then the paragraph dialog box will open. Then what you need to do, on the indent and spacing tab in the indentation section. Okay, next you have to select the indents and spacing tab. There you will get the indentation section. Okay, then what you have to do, specify the value in the left and right box to set the left and right indent for the paragraph. Then they click the specify special box, select first line or hanging and specify the value in the box. Okay, so the preview selection display a sample of the specified indent. Okay, after that a preview selection display a sample of the specified indent, then click OK button. Okay, so like this you can do the indentation. Now let's see the line spacing. Line spacing is the amount of vertical blank space between the lines of the text in a paragraph. Okay, it is the amount of vertical blank space between the lines of the text in a paragraph. By default, the spacing between lines in a paragraph is 1.08 point. Okay, by default the spacing space is between a line is in a paragraph is 1.08 point. To set the line spacing for a paragraph, what you need to do, first position the cursor anywhere in a paragraph. Then on the home tab you have to click on the paragraph group, then click the line and paragraph spacing button. Okay, then drop down list of predefined line spacing option will appear in your book. Okay, in your dialog box. So what you have to do, click the desired line spacing option for the list. Okay, from the list you have to click on the desired option. Okay, line spacing option, so that you will get the line space. Next, what will you can do extra? Click line spacing option to specify the line spacing for a paragraph. Getting? Now the paragraph dialog box will open. Then what will you need to do? On the intent and spacing tab, in the spacing section, click the line spacing box and select a line spacing for the paragraph. Like this also you can do it. Next, what you need to do? Click on the OK button, then it will process. Okay, the word applies the specified spacing to the paragraph. Okay, now paragraph spacing we will see. Paragraph spacing is the amount of blank space between two paragraphs. Okay, it is the amount of blank space between two paragraphs. By default, Word leaves 0 point spacing before and 8 point spacing after every paragraph. Getting? Now let's see how to adjust spacing between paragraphs. First, what you need to do, select the paragraph for which you want to adjust the spacing. Second, on the layout tab in the paragraph group, specify the required value in the specify before the spacing after box. Okay, first you have to select the layout tab, then go to the paragraph group, then specify the required value in the spacing before and specify the after box. Getting? So what will happen? Word will apply the specified spacing to the selected paragraph. Okay, this is about paragraph spacing. Now let's see about the column formatting. A column formatting a vertical division of text on a page. It is a vertical division of text on a page. By default, Word arranges text in a single column that runs from left margin to right margin. Okay, by default, what is going on in Word? It arranges texts in a single column that runs from left to right margin. However, you can arrange text in multiple columns as used in newspaper and magazines. Okay, when you arrange text in more than one columns, the text fills the first column and then moves to the top of the next column. Okay, then when all the columns of the page are full, the text moves to the next page. Getting how the column formatting works? To arrange the text in multiple columns, what we need to do? First, select the text you want to arrange into columns. Then go to the layout tab. Then select the page setup. Then click the columns button. A drop down list appears with display predefined columns layout. Okay, a drop down list will appear to your screen. Okay, it will display drop down list and there you will get the predefined column layout. Then what you need to do, click the column layout you want to use. Which one you want, you have to click there. Okay, so this is how the column formatting works. Now let's see the page formatting. Word 2016 offers various options to set page margins. Okay, the 2016 Word offers various options to set page margins, orientation, page size, and add background color or border to a page. It is offers many things like your page margin and orientation, page size, and background color or border to a page. So first we will see the page margin. Okay, page margin are the blank space between the edge of the page and the text of a document on all the four sides. Okay, page margin means it is the blank space between the edge of the page and the text of a document on all the four sides. By default, Word assign a 1 inch margin all around a page in a document. Okay, to set predefined page margin, what we need to do? First, we have to click on the layout tab, then you need to go to the page setup, then you have to click on the margin button. Then one drop down list appears with a predefined margin setting. Okay, then you have to click a desired margin setting, then Word will apply the margin setting into the page. Okay, this is how you can do the page margin. So today we will going to conclude here. In next class we will going to see the page orientation. So what all the things today we learned? We started with the find features, then find and replace feature, Then we learned about the paragraph formatting, their alignment we learned, then indentation we learned, then line spacing we learned today, and paragraph spacing also we learned today, then column formatting also we learned today, page formatting. Under page formatting we learned the page margin. So in next class we will going to see about the page orientation. Till then, take care.